Your hotspot is on, your laptop is connected, but the internet is moving like pure water dripping from a broken sachet. Don't worry. Today I'll show you exactly how to make your phone hotspot much faster, especially if you work or school from home. Slow hotspot is one of the biggest frustrations for remote workers and students in Nigeria. You want to send a file, upload an assignment, attend a meeting, and your hotspot acts like it has refused to wake up. But the truth is, there are very simple tweaks that can instantly boost your speed without buying anything. Tip 1. Change the hotspot band. Most people don't know this. Most phones use 2.4 GHz hotspot by default. That band is slow, crowded, and easily affected by noise from other devices. Switch to 5 GHz. It's faster, more stable, and perfect for laptops. On iPhone, settings personal hotspot maximize compatibility off. On Android, hotspot and tethering hotspot band select 5 GHz. Tip 2. Position your phone correctly. Don't drop your phone under a pillow or behind your laptop. Raise it. Keep it where network is strongest. Network bars are not enough. Sometimes moving your phone by just one window makes speed jump instantly. Tip 3. Turn off battery saver. Battery saver slows hotspot speed on purpose. When battery saver is on, the phone reduces CPU power and network speed. So turn it off whenever you want fast hotspot work. Tip 4. Disconnect background apps. Your phone may be updating apps in the background while you're suffering. Close. Instagram, TikTok, Play Store auto updates. iCloud/Google Photos backups. These apps steal data silently. Tip 5. Use USB tethering for super speed. If you want the best hotspot performance, connect your phone to your laptop with a USB cable and enable USB tethering. It reduces lag by almost 60% and is more stable during long working sessions. Tip 6. Try a different SIM for better stability. Some SIMs behave better in certain areas. If MTN is bad where you live, try Airtel. If Airtel fails, try Glow. Network performance is location-based. If your phone still stays slow, overheats, or disconnects frequently, visit Bemi Gadgets. We fix network issues, overheating problems, and hotspot faults. And we sell original chargers, cables, and phones that keep your hotspot fast and stable.